Alright, so negative brings up some good points about the success of adult stem cells and that private funds are used in embryonic stem cell research. But adult stem cells have many years of research ahead of embryonic stem cells. And embryonic stem cells, if given the same time, could show a great possibility. The California Institute for Regenerative Medicine encourages work with all adult stem cells and is excited about their potential for treating some diseases. However, their goal is to accelerate new treatments for incurable diseases, and at this time, they believe the most effective way of doing that is by exploring all types of stem cells, adult and embryonic. They also say that adult stem cells are extremely valuable and have great potential for future therapies. However, these cells are very restricted in what they can do. Blood-forming stem cells can treat some blood diseases, and brain stem cells may be able to treat some neural diseases. But those cells can't turn into other tissue types. What's more, adult stem cells don't grow indefinitely in the lab, unlike embryonic stem cells, and they aren't as flexible in the types of diseases they can treat. And progress in embryonic stem cell research has been made. Robert Lanza is considered one of the leading scientists in the world, and he's currently Chief Scientific Officer at Advanced Cell Technology. Recently, Advanced Cell Technology has reported that it is feasible to differentiate human embryonic stem cells into functional human vasiculture. They say that this dual potentiality is critical for the effective treatment of human vascular disease, especially for the repair and formation of mature and larger sized vessels. The public also supports embryonic stem cell research. The negative stated that California voters approved Proposition 71, which authorizes the state to spend $3 billion on embryonic stem cell research over 10 years. This measure was a response to federal funding restrictions put into place in 2001. It puts California ahead of the federal government and many other nations in promoting the research. Voters in Michigan also passed by 53% to 47% Proposal 2, allowing researchers in the state to derive new embryonic stem cell lines from embryos left over at fertility treatment. In Colorado, voters rejected by 73% to 27% Amendment 48, which proposed conferring personhood to newly fertilized embryos. What all this shows is that many states are for embryonic stem cell research, and obviously a lot of private funding comes for it. And it's about time that the federal government steps up and starts supporting embryonic stem cell research also.